No. I want a pedicure, nothing extra. You don't want the soak rub? No. No soak rub. And then I get up there. And then I get up there and I do my thing, my card. No tip. I said, go faster.
Disrespectful. That's why they demand tips, because of this lady.
I give them one.
Should I be like,
after they ask for one.
No, like, they give her tip. Go faster next time.
Oh, you
why
disrespectful.
do you want him to go faster?
You disrespectful. That is not a tip, mama. Like gratuity, money.
I gave her what I could give her.
A tip.
Nice.
Go faster. You disrespectful. All right, y'all. 0 to 60 in the F Sport 300 IS 2020. All right, y'all. So this is my wife. This is her brother's car, and it's pretty damn fast. They say it's 240 horsepower. It definitely seems like more.
Oh, Jesus. It sounds like the purpose
Shit, we was creeping up on 90 miles per hour.
I'm scared.
Hey, this motherfucker pretty quick, right?
It is quick. I was so scared of like maybe going 40.
I definitely think we could get away from the cops if they tried to pull us over.
Oh, shut up.
No, I'm serious. This car pretty quick.
I almost pooped myself.
You almost did what?
Almost pooped myself.
Pooped yourself.
Pooped myself.
Girl, hold that poop turd in.
I did tell you I ate too much.
Oh man, yeah, I like this car.
It's because I knew that curve was coming up.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna. These brakes are good, man. This is a foreign. This is a JDM car. It's a JDM. We in sport too.
Australian's car. I don't care. I'm scared.
What's good, everybody, man? Welcome back to the vlog. I have the light on for now. Quick little pulls for y'all. Rest of this, man, I hope y'all enjoy. Little nighttime POV headed home. Windows going up, sunroof will stay open, lights going out. I know I told y'all I wasn't gonna be doing no talking, but shitload of traffic, man. Shitload of traffic. I couldn't do shit. Like I was gonna film, but y'all see this bullshit. Imagine. You see how it looks. You see how it looks right now? Look at this. Traffic. Somebody got their brights on. my diet has been very, very off. I've been eating, like, I'm lactose intolerant, but I always eat cheese. And I don't know, I just can't. It's hard to take that out of my diet. Hopefully I could do it. I've been really challenging myself on, you know, cutting a lot of stuff. And just, you know, trying to rediscipline myself, man. Starting with the social media, man, that's when I, you know, I uninstalled all my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. I think I'm going 3 months strong. I have downloaded them back, and I just checked in on a lot of people. But I don't know, something about it, man. I just uninstalled it again. So I'll just probably go back and forth with it. But yeah, I'm trying to retune my diet, man, and cut cheese and really just dairy products. Another thing, I'm about to cancel my gym membership. They opened they just finished rebuilding this recreation center right by my house. You know, for the year is way, way cheaper than the gym. And honestly, I haven't been since the time after that video, a long ass time ago. So I'm gonna first off try to tweak my diet, and once I get that down, then I'm about to cancel my membership anyways, but once I cancel the membership, I'm already tweaking the diet. Then I'll start back getting in there, and not trying to really lose weight, but just trying to you know, eat better and diet a little better than what I've been doing. Creeping up on 30, man. I'm 27. Hey, y'all, keep it 100. Keep it 100. Don't it look like GTR-ish, like the R35 type, Skyline type? I don't know. Don't it look Skyline-ish to y'all? Just by the lights. Just glance at it. Let me know, man. Let me know. All right, baby, we in a new day, and it's daytime. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Do a few power shifts, you know. I'm about to go buy a mask, y'all. Running a quick errand real quick. Quick downshift for y'all. Type R on deck. Ooh, guapo. Ooh, guapo. Somebody just have the audacity to get over in your lane. It's real disrespectful. It's real disrespectful. So I just looked at my GPS and I looked up Spirit Halloween, and I looked at it, and then I exit out and I put the camera on so I can get this POV for y'all. So I'm kind of guessing where I'm going. I kind of know this area pretty good, so fingers crossed we get there. Fingers crossed. I know y'all boys be hating when I'm doing a little POV at night. So here's a little daytime action for y'all, man. It's a 370Z right there. Damn. Somebody had a hell of a night. Seen a Tito's bottle. In the street. Ooh, more rice. More fried rice. G30. What is it? I don't know these infinities like that. Y'all probably can. Y'all see? Oh, y'all can't see. Lakes. I do remember them saying turn here. Now, let's see if I'm in the zone, in the area. Not trying to leave. Freak. I guess this what my ass get. Damn. Whoa. Buddy just almost got knocked off. Could it be here? I'm confused. Over here? Spirit Halloween, where are you? Where are you? Shit! You know what? Damn! I'm a little slow, y'all. Damn. Well, I'm gonna end this vlog with that one, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. This video will be continued. I just don't want to look like a dumbass looking for Spirit Halloween. But y'all stay tuned, man. This video will be continued. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. More POV videos.